was fine. Just like the cold burger and Dom Perignon, as always. I never tried Dom Perignon. It's just something beyond expensive. You look high, TBH. Oh, it's been so high right there, driving out there. My eyes are very itchy today. I don't know why. Thank you. So the burger's out there. God bless America Burger, by the way. How often do you make the what? How often I make what? Me neither. Too expensive and alcohol. You don't drink alcohol? Slaking. Oh my god, you're in my city. Hi. Yeah, I'm cycling around your city. It was easy to come there, and I did. This is my phone charging. Okay, I'm gonna read you what they have. So, God bless America. Something barbecue. It's not a burger. Bon vivant. Provasi.